Hello, my name is Gang Han. I am a graduate student working in Dr. Darren Mueller and Dr. Leonor Leandro's lab since 2012. One of my study projects is about the influence of drainage, field drainage on soybean seedling health. We care about drainage because given the obvious benefit of drainage, more and more subsurface drainage tiles are applied in the field. However, we really have little knowledge about how those drainage being impacting on soybean seedling growth. The plants we care about is V2 stage, which means when the plants there are two trifoliate leaves. So we care about it because it's believed that V2 stage is the most vulnerable stage of soybean on the soybean growth track. After we taking samples at the V2 stage, all the samples were brought back to the lab. The first, I need to read those samples visually to see how severity the root rot is, and after that I cut the roots from the cotyledon part and take the pictures of each root using a root scanner, and we analyze all the root images by Winrazo, which can give us information about how length of each root totally, how much volume are there, what's the average diameter of the root, and how much the root tips. Basically, it gives you the general idea how large, how fluffy that root is. And we can also read some disease ratio based on the root image information. We can define which part of the root is diseased, right? So from the result side, we want to know how the drainage, which is the factor that we can control in the field, how the drainage be impacting on the root growth. I'd like to thank United Soybean Board for funding my research.